here is types of accounts. Alright students, now see, basically there are how many types of accounts, or rather how many categories we can divide a particular account into. Our first variety of account is a personal account. Right, first variety of account is a personal account. Second variety of account is a real account, and third variety is called as nominal account. Now let us try to understand what exactly is personal account and who all or what all is included in personal account. Again, I will divide this into two parts. Personal account will include natural persons and as well as artificial persons. Right, now who all are included in natural persons? The question is, who all are included in natural persons? So I will give you a very simple example. All human beings are included in natural persons. Right, so for example, human beings. Right, now in this situation what happens is, like say for example, each and every human being has their own identity. Say for example, Ram, so this is a name of a person, or let us say Lakshman. So this again is a name of a person, right? It can be Sita, it can be Geeta, anyone. So these all are what? These all are natural persons, human beings. So these are identified as which accounts? These are all identified as personal account. These all are natural persons, living beings or human beings as you say. But at the same time there are another type of persons which are called as artificial person, which has their own identity, and who all are included in this. So I will start with schools. Now see, as you all know, we had all went to school. Our schools had different names. So if suppose say for example I am having, or I am into A school, then the school, that is the A school, is different from B school, and so on. If you are going into C school, then your school is having its own separate identity. Apart from this, colleges, universities, right? So colleges, universities are having their own identity, like Cambridge, Oxford, Mumbai University, etc., etc., etc. There are so many universities that is having their own different identity. Each and every university is having their own separate identity, so they are included in personal accounts. So schools are included over here. I'll just put a bullet mark for you so that it becomes easy for you to recognize. So apart from this, schools, colleges. Now another example of this is trusts, right, which runs the school, or the organization which runs the school. Apart from this, I can also give you example of companies, right? So companies are having their own identity, different companies are having their different names. These all have their own identity. So if I tell you the name of a particular company, there is a particular imagination set in your mind, a picture that is very clear that this particular person is talking about this particular company. Apart from this, what else do I have? Apart from this companies, I have hospitals, right? I have banks. Each and every hospital, each and every bank is having their own separate identity, so these are included in personal account. Apart from this, organizations conducting various activities, alright, it can be business organization, non-business organization, anything. So students, this both things, are included in what? These both things are included in natural persons and artificial person. So this is the first type of account, and it includes all these persons, that is natural as well as artificial person. Okay, now let's talk about second type of account, that is real account. What does real account include? Right, real account will include all things which are actually there, which are really there, all things which are actually or really there, right? So which can be, all things which can be seen, right? We can see by our eyes, with our eyes, which can be touched and which can be felt. So all things, all non-living things which can be seen, touched and felt. And the name real itself indicates that it must be really or actually in existence. Alright. So this is real account. I will give you few examples of real account. There are two varieties of real account. First variety is called as tangible. Tangible means which can be seen, which can be touched and which can be felt. So this includes, tangible will include what? Tangible will include various types of things. Like say for example, if I have to give you example of tangible, it is land, building, right? It will include machinery, it will include furniture, it will include car or rather vehicles, right? It will also include computers, etc. So these all things will be so on and so forth. There are so many things which are used in the business which can be seen, touched or felt. These all are known as tangible real account. And another variety is intangible. Another variety is intangible. Now what are intangible real accounts? Okay, now intangible real accounts means which can not be seen, which cannot be touched, but they are actually there. The best example of intangible is goodwill, that is reputation of a person or a business organization, right? Apart from this, several things like patents, that is technology, then trademarks, that is the symbols used by various companies. Alright, to use that particular symbol is a right of a particular organization. Say for example, if you see an apple behind a phone, right, a logo of an apple behind a particular phone, you immediately come to know that it is from Apple Corporation. If you see the logo of Samsung Mobile, you will immediately come to know that it is from Samsung Mobile Corporation. So trademarks used, the right to use a particular trademark can only be with a particular organization, and that right is an intangible asset, right? It is actually there, but it is intangible. It cannot be seen, it cannot be touched. Apart from this, all types of technology, copyrights, right? These all are examples of intangible but real account which actually exists in the world or the business, but which cannot be seen or touched or felt, right? So these are two different types of accounts. One is personal account and one is real account. Now let us talk something about nominal account. This is like a very simple type of account. It will include, over here I will just put a bullet mark, and it will include four things. It will include four things. Which four things? Which are very simple. All incomes, right? All incomes of a business organization, right? Any income related to a business organization will be included in nominal account. So whatever income is earned by the business organization through conducting business activity will come in nominal account. Then all expenses which are incurred in the business organization related to business will come under nominal account. Thereafter, apart from this, all losses and all gains, so if there are any losses which have taken place in the business organization, alright, then we include it in nominal account. And if there are any profits or gains which have taken place in the business organization in a particular year, we include it in all gains. So these are few types of examples of nominal account. Now to just elaborate this, examples of income. Alright, if I want to give you any example of income, so what examples can I give you exactly is sales. Right, whenever you sell goods, you earn income. Apart from this, rent received, if there is an extra space with the business which can be given on rent, or commission received, or else interest received, etc. Now apart from this, let me give you few examples of expenses also. So examples of expenses can be what? They are very, very simple examples. It can be salary paid, or rather wages paid. Apart from this, what else can I give you as an example? Electricity bill, or telephone bill, right? Apart from this, all sorts of expenses, like say for example rent paid, even postage, etc., etc. So any expense which is incurred for the purpose of business is included in nominal account. Apart from this, what example can I give you for losses? So I'll just write over here. Example for losses can be loss by fire or theft, alright, or loss on sale of an asset. These are the gains. So few examples related to gains will be like profit on sale of goods or inventory, or rather profit on sale of assets. So these are two examples that I can give you for gains, right, in which we are earning profit